Housekeepers needed in Canada, no work experience required. Hello, welcome to another episode of Canada Job Update from your favorite YouTube channel, Canada Sure Guide. In today's video, I will be introducing you housekeeping job in Canada and how you can apply for it without stress. Yes, you heard me right, without stress. You may have wondered if there is ever an opportunity like this when you are here. I will show you the various possibilities open for a housekeeping job without education and no work experience needed. I will also show you where you can find these job opportunities online and how you can apply for them without stress. The good thing about this opportunity is that you can use it for this job anywhere. You do not need a valid Canadian work permit to be able to apply for this opening. If you are viewing this channel for the first time, click the link button to subscribe to be able to get the latest Canadian job opportunity. My channel publishes the latest job, and only subscribers clicking the notification can benefit from this. Ensure to subscribe. A housekeeping job requires you to have specific skills such as shopping for food, taking stock of household materials, providing companionship, and serving nutritional meals for the people you will be working for. You will also assume full responsibility for the house as a housekeeper. As a housekeeper, you can earn up to $20 an hour. To make it easier for you, I have already sorted out some of the best Canadian housekeeping jobs to make it very easy without stress. Most of these opportunities do not require you to have any educational background or experience to work. I will provide a link to these job opportunities in the description of this video. Do take your time to go through the Canadian Housekeeping Job Bank for more. Here are some of the guidelines you need to follow while applying for these jobs. Ensure your job resume is formatted in Canadian style, and make sure to have a cover letter. Make sure you apply for this job on the job bank on time to get a good spot. Canadian employees are very time conscious, as late applications will not be accepted. That is all you need to apply for a housekeeper's job in Canada. If you have any questions, use the comment section. I will be happy to reply to you. Please like and share my video to support my work so I can make more videos like this. Till next time, see you soon.